We have tied up with CII, they are our industry partners who is able to get industry. At the same time, we are fortunate to have a principal-centric advisor of Prime Minister's Office, Dr. Sapna Poti. They have got a website called Manthan, and they are supporting young individuals and entrepreneurs like startup. So also our minister as well as CM and the Honorable Prime Minister say always be important startups. So we have made this is also startup pavilion. We are also tied up with this engineering colleges, all Goa, IIT, BITS, NIT, engineering colleges, all we are tied up. And we also told the student can come, they can interact. There will be one pavilion wherein Dr. Sapna Poti, who is a Prime Minister's Office in charge of this particular cell, will be mentoring those people. So we have got one step forward in doing this. 3 buildings in Goa already certified the green building. Maybe you are not aware. So that we signed MOU. We'll tell them how they got it, and many more buildings will come. Wherein, as you asked, water conservation, energy conservation, all these aspects are covered.
Keeping in mind our endeavor to make structuring the present for a sustainable future.